Hi, this is Emily Williams, and I am for Lab 4. For exercise 1, we threw the baseball and we hypothesized what we would throw, and I definitely hypothesized greater than my ability, seeing as I thought I could throw it about 45 miles an hour, and instead was like somewhere in the 23 miles per hour. So my prediction was just based on previous thoughts about how I could throw. So kind of a guess. When using the spreadsheet program, the slope is more accurate. It's more on target with what actually occurred than just doing it by hand. For exercise 3, rolling the ball on the ground, we hypothesize that if it's rolling on a horizontal surface, then it should just be the same throughout. And that essentially was correct. Good hypothesis of that. So if we were rolling the ball down a slope, the slope would be steeper if the time increased, or the velocity increased as time went on. And then errors that we ran into were like the ground not being 100% flat, or being able to time right when the ball crosses over the next meter mark. So those are the things. And then the graph that we decided it looked most like was the first graph. Figure 3 was most similar to that one. And then the dropping the ball one, we hypothesized that the experimental value of gravity would be 9.8 meters per second squared. And we were about 2.2 off on that when we calculated the dropped ball times. And so that's essentially, once again, just error in using the stopwatch, or that's really what we found to be the error there. So that is all for Lab 4.